Congratulations to Ms. Pearson. You are an ExCEL Award recipient.
Thank you.
I believe that knowing students well is the key to success. My students know that they will be challenged and pushed to their limits. I see potential in every one of my students and know that they all can succeed. Sometimes they may complain, but when one of them does, the rest of the class often responds in unison with a motto I often utter: welcome to 4th grade. You see, students will rise to your expectations when you let them struggle. When one of them says in frustration, "Ms. Pearson, I can't do this," or "I just don't get it," I usually respond, "The only way your brain grows is if you struggle sometimes." My hope is that I have instilled in my students the value of the struggle and the idea that they can push through a challenge if they persevere.